This is Sizzling Yee Mee using our homemade deep-fried egg noodles. The sauce must be thick with umami taste of mushroom, a hint of spiciness from the chilies, and black in color. Serve with green vegetable, a piece of chicken, and an egg. The crispy deep-fried egg noodles will soak up that delicious, tasty black sauce. I guarantee you, your family will love it, especially when it comes out sizzling hot. You do not need a hot plate to create this dish. Watch at the end of this video to see 2 other types of cookware we have used to replace our hot plate. Let's start preparing the sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, and some cornstarch slurry by mixing water with corn flour. Marinate your chicken with salt for 30 minutes. For the vegetable, we use shiitake mushrooms, Chinese cabbage, green peppers, and carrots. Then we fry garlic, ginger, shallots, and fresh red chilies until fragrant. Add the vegetable without the Chinese cabbage. Pour in 500 ml of chicken stock. Bring to boil until the chicken is tender. Add the cornstarch slurry little by little until the sauce thickens to your taste. Now it is time to prepare our deep-fried egg noodle. You can simplify this process by buying ready-made Yee Mee noodles from the supermarket. We like to make our own deep-fried noodles. Creating your own deep-fried noodles using these fresh egg noodles give the noodles that extra crunch. You can watch how we tested 6 noodles to see which one puffs up the most by clicking on this video. Deep fry these noodles until they are brown and crispy on both sides. Heat up the hot plate until piping hot. Place the deep-fried egg noodle and cabbages. Then add the sauce. Look at how it sizzles. When the egg white is cooked and the yolk is still raw, then that is the time to switch off the flame. Serve hot. The sauce will continue to absorb by the noodles. If you do not have a hot plate, you can use clay pot as an alternative. If you do not have a clay pot, then you can use a non-stick pan instead. Both cookware will do great. Let us know in the comment below which cookware did you use. We also have many tasty and delicious deep-fried noodle recipes you can watch if you want more inspiration on this type of noodle cooking. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.